Let's work on some R sounds. As a reminder, you want to raise your tongue up and slide it back, get it into position. The sides of your tongue should be up in between those upper molars, those big teeth that you chew with. Your lips do not make R sounds, so don't let them try to make the sound. Get your tongue to do the work. Let's try this first word. Dryer. Tire. Hair. Square. Flower. Umpire. Feather. Amplifier. Bear. And our last word, sapphire. Were you able to make those really strong sounds at the end of each of those words? I hope so. Keep practicing.